Alright, here we got a 15-foot Schulte. It come in off a complete liquidation, small 1000 BTO. He said it's been a really good cutter. I'd say the gearboxes are good, but he said there's several bad hoses. To the point where unless them hoses are fixed, it probably won't unfold, okay? Matter of fact, I think the guy's hooked it and it's got a hose busted. You're buying it like that. We'll roll it on your truck. As far as you can see, everything turns, got stump jumpers. Looky here. Everything turns like it should, as far as I can tell. Everything turn down there. Go see if the other wheel's turning right.
Yep.
Well, this thing is, it's very straight. The deck's had some grass on it, so there's not a lot of original paint. He said it's been a great cutter. He bought a brand spanking new one, so had a good year, and he said, I'm just not going to fix hoses and stuff. And so we bought all his excess equipment. Looks like the deck's got a little place in it up there on that wing. A little bitty place here where you got it up to it a little bit, but probably make somebody a good cutter, but you're going to have to rework those hoses first thing before you go to use it. This hose kind of squirted on the side here, so. Deck's good and straight underneath, and the slides are good. It does have 6 hard tires across the back.